The metal art welding offer an exciting and the dynamic medium for creative expression. With its versatility and the durability, metal can be transformed into a stunning sculptures, intricate pattern, and engaging and the functional pieces of art. Thanks for being here. Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you people are doing so well. In this video, I am going to show you some fun metal or welding design and project ideas that will inspire you how to handle your scrap. Whether you are a professional welder or a passionate do-it-by-yourself enthusiast, this video aims to inspire you with a diverse range of fun metal art, welding design ideas and the project. Let me tell you that into the world of molten metal and unleash your creative opinion. Metal sculpture can be a extensive way to showcase your welding skill while creating a captivating piece of art. Incorporating unexpected elements like gears, bolts, and the recycled materials to add industrial flares from abstract form of figurative representation. Let your imagination run wild and experiment with different shapes and sizes, texture. Combine metal with other materials like wood, glass, ceramics, and create a mixed media experiment with different textures, sizes, and the finishes. Exploring the juxtapositions of the metals, this approach open up new avenue for creative, enabling you to craft unique and the visually stunning appeal piece. Embrace the beauty of recycling and repurposing materials by creating a beautiful metal object. Transformed old tool car parts, scrap metal into a unique sculpture of wall art. This approach not only showcases your creativity but also promotes sustainability and remove your carbon footprint, and it will impact better on environment. Take your creativity outdoor by designing metal art for garden and the outdoor spaces. Create dazzling sculpture, genuine kinetic art piece that come alive with moment of whimsical and the ornaments that bring smile to everyone's faces. Incorporate elements inspired by nature such as animal flowers or the abstract representations of natural terms. While settle for ordinary, you can have functional art. Combine your welding skill with practically by crafting metal furniture, custom gate, and even outdoor furniture. Artist touch such as ornaments, scroll work, intricate design, and the personalized motifs to take these functional pieces truly stand out. Metal wall hanging can truly a beautiful piece that will unique blend to strength and beauty. Create intricate pattern by cutting and welding pieces of metal together, forming mesmerizing design. Incorporate elements such as leaf, flowers, and the geometrical shape to enhance the visual interest. These piece of art can be a further enhance the patina, paint, and even a light effect. Explore realm of variable art by creating unique and eye-catching metal jewelry from earring to necklace, bracelet to rings. Metal can be shaped, twisted, and sculpted from intricate and the personalized pieces. Experiment with different type of metals such as copper, brass, silver, and incorporate a gemstone to the other. create kinetic art that dances with the wind by designing metal mobiles and the wind chime well together. Various size metal shapes such as disc, tubes, or the rods, and suspend them in a balanced arrangement as the wind blows. Your art piece will come in the live with the moment of smoothing sound. Illuminate your surrounding with stunning metal lamps and light fixture. Let your welding skills shine by designing unique lamp bases, sconces, and the panel lighters. Merge art and the utility of crafting by wall art pieces that serve practical purpose. Consider demanding metal coat rack. Give your garden a touch of elegance and security by creating a custom fencing using a welding expertise to fabricate decorative panel or gates that blend seamlessly with the natural landscape. Experiment with various design incorporating motifs inspired by the nature, adding personalized elements such as initial or the family recreations. Make special moment and the celebration with personalized metal art creation design and the custom patron sign and the birthday sign anniversaries incorporating names, dates, and the meaningful symbols. You can also craft unique piece of table decor using metal element and advising a memorable touch to any event. Leave a lasting impact on your community by creating large-scale public art installations, collaborate with local authors, organization, and the flow artisted with design and execute the metal art project beautifully in the public spaces, sculptures, murals, and the intricate pattern that will inspire the other designer on the public, and they will be buy your design in high demand and you can earn a handsome amount of money.
Musician for thousands of years, and it continued to be a part of popular hobby and the professional today's. One of the most exciting aspects of metalworking is the wide variety of projects that can be created using different techniques and materials, from intricate sculpture to the sturdy piece of furniture. Metalworking projects offer endless opportunities for creativity and innovation. Good morning and welcome back. Here we are back again with another amazing video. In our today's video we are going to show you how to overcome your metal waste material, and how to reduce your carbon footprints. One of the most important aspects of metalworking is welding. Welding is the process of joining two or more pieces of welding together using heat and pressure. There are many different types of welding techniques, each with its own advantage and the disadvantages. Some of the most common welding techniques include MIG welding, TIG welding, and stick welding or oxy-acetylene welding. MIG welding, the metal entry-gas welding, is popular welding techniques that use in a wire electrode and create a strong and durable bond between two pieces of the metal. This technique is commonly used in automotive and industrial applications as well as in home workshop. TIG welding, the tungsten inert gas welding, is a more precise and the intricate welding technique that is often used in aerospace and the medical industries. These techniques use a tungsten electrode to create an arc and melt the metal, which is then joined together using a filler rod. Stick welding is also known as a shield metal arc welding. is a versatile welding technique that can be used on a variety of material including steel, aluminum, and cast iron. This technique is often used in construction, repair work, as well as in industrial application. Oxyactylene welding, also known as a gas welding, is a traditional welding technique that is used to combination of oxygen and the acetylene gas to create a flame that melts the metal. This technique is commonly used in jewelry making and other small scale metalworking projects. Regardless of welding techniques used, the end result is always beautiful and functional piece of metalwork. Metalworking project can range from simple and functional to intricate or ornate. Some popular metalworking projects include furniture, sculpture, jewelry, and the decorative art pieces. One of the most